How to see who viewed your Snapchat story. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video, I will simply show you the way on how you can see your Snapchat story viewers. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So you might have uploaded a story on Snapchat, but you're not being able to find where you can find all of these viewers, just like how easy it is on Instagram and Facebook and other social media applications. First off, we're going to simply start by making sure you have updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your respective app stores, in the search box typing in Snapchat, and if there is an update button right next to Snapchat, tap on it in order to update the app to the latest version. Once you've done all of the steps as I mentioned above, you have to simply go ahead and then open the Snapchat app, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. And after you're logged in, you can typically see that this is how the interface is going to look like. You'll be taken to the default camera's snap screen. Now what you have to do is, on the very top left hand side of the screen, you'll be able to see your Bitmoji profile, and instead of Bitmoji profile, if you have uploaded a story, you'll be able to see the content within your story. But however, you have to simply tap on the circular icon. Once you tap on the circular Bitmoji avatar or your story icon, you'll be able to be taken to your profile page. Once you go to your profile page, you'll be able to see all sorts of different options, and right on top you'll find a section which says My Stories, and you'll be able to see a list of all of the stories which you have added on this particular page. If you want to see who viewed your story, first of all, before we get to that, you can also see the number of viewers right from here. So you can see we currently have 1 viewers. If you have more than 1 viewers, then basically the numbers are going to relatively show up here every time you reload your Snapchat app. Now if you want to see who viewed it, then you have to simply go ahead and then open up your story. Once you open up your story, at the bottom left corner you can see 1 view in this eye icon. In order to view who viewed our story, you will simply tap on this icon. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to see a list of all of the friends who has viewed your Snapchat story. And this was simply the way on how you can see who viewed your Snapchat story. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.